Hey guys, welcome back to Amazing Tips for You. Today in this video, we'll see a completely natural grey hair remedy which would dye your hair instantly black as well as turn your grey hair permanently to black gradually over time. This is a natural hair dye and it does not harm your hair. Regular usage of this natural hair dye will prevent premature graying of your hair. It also helps to stimulate hair growth and prevent scalp infections as well. Let's check out how to make this natural hair dye, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You and tap on the bell icon to get notified about all my new uploads. In a pan, I have taken 10 to 15 pieces of dried gooseberry. Add around 1.5 glasses of water and let it boil. Wait till the water thickens and gets the flavor of the gooseberries. To this water, add 2 teaspoons of indigo powder. Mix it well until it is lump-free and apply this paste on the areas of grey hair. And leave it for at least 90 minutes to 2 hours for the color to get fully absorbed. The application is a little bit of a messy process, but the results are gonna be gorgeous. This hair coloring treatment will last for 4 to 6 weeks. For some, roots grow quickly and a root touch-up might be needed or another full head application. The longer you wait for, the darker it will be. But you need to leave it on for a minimum of 2 hours for good color. For facial hair, the recommended amount of time is 90 minutes to 2 hours. It is an all-natural hair dye that does not harm your hair in any way. Regular use of this natural hair dye can treat and prevent premature graying. It also stimulates new hair growth and prevents scalp infections. This natural hair dye doesn't contain ammonia or PPD or other chemicals like most hair dyes, so it is completely safe to use. Always do a patch test first on your forearm to check if you're sensitive to it. Avoid using this during pregnancy and lactation. If you're looking for a natural alternative for chemical hair dyes, then this is a great choice. So try out this all-natural hair dye and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You for more such useful videos. Take care, bye-bye.